Right then, it's the one and only Hips Happy Hour. Happy Friday, everybody. What we're going to cover this week is something from the Diffords cocktail book, and it's going to be a Tahitian honeybee. For this, we're going to use the Aluna Coconut rum. Really nice premium rum. G's Bees local honey from Cheshire, courtesy of the G's. So thank you. Lemon, a shaker and crushed ice. First of all, we're going to put 2 spoons of the premium G's Bees honey. Wow. So 2 spoons of that. Then we're going to use half a shot of a lemon. Just going to guesstimate that and just give that a nice squeeze. Dissolve that honey. Also just going to give that a nice rim. And 2 shots of the Aluna rum. You can pick this up from a decent Sainsbury's or Waitrose. And make sure we stir this first just to make sure it all dissolves. And we're just going to give it a really good shake. So here we have it. Tahitian honeybee. And we can just garnish this with a more slice of lemon, like so. And here we have it. Let's try it. Happy Friday, everyone. Wow, that's absolutely gorgeous. Basically like a honey daiquiri. You can really taste that honey, and the balance of the sourness of the lemon and the sweet is just really well balanced. It's absolutely lovely. It just reminds me of when I was back in Cuba. Absolutely superb. Really good. So, really hope you're enjoying this show. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please also check out other rum-inspired cocktails like daiquiris, mojitos, things like that. Have a good weekend, everyone. Good to be back with the cocktails. Cheers. And